Did you know that sushis come from Japan? Now you know. Hey guys, so now we're taking you to one of the biggest and one of the most famous sushi shops here in Japan, and this place is called Sushiro, and I'm so excited. This is gonna be my first sushi experience here in Japan. Join me, let's all eat sushi together. Ate is trying to point us to Sushiro. We can't find it.
Very popular. And very cheap. But very delicious.
Did you hear what she said?
Yeah.
Thank you very much! Bye-bye, arigato. Entering this place. And there's a sink here. And there you go. This is the inside of the Sushiro place. And two people? Yep. Thank you so much.
ラストオーダーが1030
Okay.
はい、
ありがとうございます。
Thank you so much. So we have to get a number for the queue, and it says on the screen. Wait, let me show you the information board. There, we're number what? 54. We're number 1548. 548. Actually, get some coloring papers here and do some drawings and colorings, whatever. And there's some kind of vending machine here as well for kids. So, okay, so according to the boy fee, this place actually gets really busy, and usually the line, the waiting time would take you about more or less an hour. That's how busy this place gets. And we are now, thank you, we're now getting our table, and this is our table, number 44, yay! As you can see, that's the conveyor. This is like next level, it's so cute. As you can see, you can just grab anything from here, and you can just also actually use this tablet to order your meals or whatever foods you want to get. There's actually a lot of options, so I'm just so excited now to see what the menu can offer. And oh my gosh, wait, look at this, look at those. It's so amazing. It looks very yummy. Oishi. Look at those. Now I'm ready to eat. Aburi, salmon aburi. Okay, now we're getting our first orders. Alright, where's the salmon? I'm gonna get the torch salmon. And this is how high-tech Japan is. You don't actually need a waiter to help you with your orders. Salmon. Yeah, salmon with wasabi. So let's try it. I'm so excited, guys. Let's eat this. First victim of the night. Let's eat. So good. Gosh, it's so cool. You have your own hot water here, and they also have the matcha green powder. Oh, this is not matcha. This is green tea.
They're the same.
I don't know if they're the same, but this is like green tea powder for your tea. So it cleanses your palate. That's the magic. That's gonna be our palate cleanser. Okay, guys, so we're gonna order some more. I just did order 2 or 4 sushis. Now we're gonna get some tempura. Order. What's mentaiko cream?
I don't know. You can just Google that.
Try the ones on the screen before. It's not here.
The pasta.
Yeah. Mentaiko cream. Okay, maybe we'll just Google them first. Alright, says our order is coming up soon. Is that it?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't order that.
Sorry. I ordered those.
Okay, cool. Salmon with cheese coming up soon. So those 2 salmons on red bowls. It's gonna be ours. That one and that one. Okay. Alright, guys. So this is the first set of order, and more are coming up soon. Let's try this salmon with cheese. Salmon with cheese and basil. Salmon with radish. Salmon. This one's shrimp avocado. Tuna with scallions. Tuna with scallions. Here's my camera. Sushi. Alright guys, time for the tempura sushi. It's so hard to handle it. We ordered the tempura, shrimp tempura. Super tempura special. It got scallops in there and some shrimp. More of our favorite cheese salmon and cheese basil salmon. We're getting it now. Yay! Look at that.
Crab meat.
Crab butter and crab meat. Crab meat. This is tuna and pickled radish. Fried octopus. This is our current table situation. Hello. Ice crab meat and crab butter over there, over here. Hey guys, so this is my first time to try eating. It's gonna be my first time to try this kind of prawn, unpeeled. Crunchy, it's pretty good. Let me dip it into the sauce. It's good. So many first times. How many firsts for this trip? Amazing. Okay guys, this is my first time to try fried octopus. Well, I have had octopus from takoyakis, obviously, but this is my first fried one. Very tempura-ish. So good. Okay, time for some tuna and pickled radish. Let's eat.
What can you say?
Super good. Now I can relate why people always come here. Why they love this place. It's really... Look, the table. Show the table. Everything I've tried, everything I tried was so good, and it's super yummy. Super yummy. I'm almost crying right now. And it's super cheap as well. Sugoi. Do it. So they measure it by numbers. And this one's. Now we're gonna know how much our bill is. How much we're paying. How much. Now we're.
100円のお皿13枚、150円のお皿4枚、300円のお皿1枚、280円一品がお2つ、350円一品がお1つでよろしいですか？
Whatever that is. Do we get discounts? Do we have discounts? That's okay.
会計が3806円です。
We're paying 3,860 yen. Okay, cool. Thank you. So guys, this is the finished product of our dinner, our sushi dinner. As you can see, the conveyor, this belt is already empty, and we are yet again the last customers of the restaurant. I don't know what's with this trip, but you know, it's always like we're always the last ones to eat at their restaurants. Anyway, so overall the experience here is so amazing, like super amazing. The food quality, the deliciousness of the meals, plus the price range was, they were all on point, super good guys. So if you're around Japan, make sure to visit Sushiro. They're all over the place. Drop by and enjoy. So again, if you like this video of mine, don't forget to please like, comment, and share this to your friends and families. Don't be shy, just share it to them, okay? And subscribe to not just my YouTube, but also my Facebook and my Instagram. Follow me at Miracosta. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.